Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to add video content to your website, embedding a YouTube video in Webflow is quick and simple. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to do it in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, go all the way to YouTube, copy the link or the video URL, then basically we're gonna go to lookforwebflow.com. On your favorite browser, tap on this link, then go use your email address and password to actually access your website. So go to the page where you actually want the video, then add a video element. Drag the video element onto the page, we're gonna tap on plus, then we're gonna scroll down, we have this link block, this div block, then we have this video or YouTube. Just tap on it, or basically drag it, it depends on you. Then we will be having this new window or this new option called YouTube. You now should put the link, start at, mute, autoplay, whatever basically options. You can also resize the video, adjust width and alignment, then set the aspect ratio. Keep the video responsive on all devices, then you can publish and preview. Check the video on desktop and even mobile to see if it's working properly. As for the size, you can change it from here. For example, we can keep it 50, as you see. Then we can basically press it here. Check the size again. You can basically put it back to 100. Then we're gonna hit enter. Can even change the basically size as well. Or we can go back. As you see, you can go back. It depends on you. You can set the overflow. You can basically hide it if you want to. You can change whatever you want on this website since it's yours. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.